In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign shift bids by line. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected, then choose Bidding. Select the shift bid you would like to make assignments for. I'll choose this one. Make sure the stage of your shift bid is Assign, then go to your new top menu bar and select Assignments. You should arrive at a list of your assignments by employee. To assign by line, choose Line. Now I can see my lines listed instead of my employees. If I choose the name of a line, I can see the shifts this employee would work in a calendar view. The highlighted blue squares show which days the employee would work and at what time. If I want to view this a week at a time instead of by month, I can click on Week. And now I'm viewing the shifts by week. To go forward or backward, use the forward and backward arrows. If I want to view the shifts in a list, I can select List. Now I can see the date the employee would work, the hours, and the station. To exit out of this information, click Close. And now I'm back at the chart. In this line chart, I can see the name of the line, the pattern. The green highlighted days are the days the employee would work, and the gray days are the days they would be off. I can see the station, the start time, the end time, whether or not the times vary. If this employee is going to work different times on different days, you will see varies here. If not, there will be nothing. I can see the total number of hours this employee would work, the capacity, meaning how many employees are going to work this same schedule, and finally the bids. If I click on a bid, I can see which employees bid on this line and which choice it was. If I choose one of the employees' choice, I can see all of that same information for this shift bid, and I can assign it to an employee. If I select Assign Now, TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to assign this shift to this employee. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that line has been assigned. Let's say I have spoken to an employee and they no longer want to bid on a specific line. I can click on that line's bid, so maybe this one. Then I will choose the employee's choice, let's say Allison. And instead of choosing Assign, I will choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete this bid. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that bid has been deleted. The other way you can assign employees to lines from this page is to click the Assign button next to the Bids button. So if I choose Assign here, I can now select employees to assign to this shift bid. If I want, I can choose more than one. Maybe I'll go ahead and say both Eric and Allison are going to work this. There is a delete button next to Kat because she has bid on this shift but already been assigned to something else. If you changed your mind and you don't want to assign these employees, click Close. I do, so I will choose Assign. And now those employees have been assigned to that shift bid. That's how you can assign shift bids by line in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to mass assign and clear employees to shift bids.